Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter account permanently. First thing you want to do guys, you want to launch the Twitter app. When you're at your feed, all you gotta do, you want to click on the upper left corner so you will be able to go on your profile landing page. When you're at your profile landing page, all you gotta do is to click on the lower settings and support. When you click on settings and support, you will have additional pop-up menu which will allow you to click on settings and privacy. Click on it. When you're at settings and privacy, you want to click on your account. When you're at your account, you want to go and scroll all the way to the last menu which is deactivate your account. Click on it. When you're at deactivate your account, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click deactivate. The very important part over here is that there are some changes that will appear with your account. After you click deactivate, you will have 30 days to reactivate or recover your account. Very important, if you want to download your data, you cannot schedule your account for deletion. Meaning, if I want to delete my account, but I want my data as well, I have to request my data before I click delete. I have to request my data from Twitter. I have to wait, receive my data from Twitter, and then I can click delete. Because if account is scheduled for deletion, they cannot simply go out and get my data. Okay, but this is how you delete your Twitter account permanently, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.